7.030. Well, I've got him at 7.029.990, but you hear that? That noise? Almost sounds a little bit like digital. I want to show you what I'm going to do to combat that. Let me pan over here just a little bit. So right now I've got noise reduction at 15, width at 50, APF at 0. If you watch my other videos, you know that I could just go to 7.030 and then use the APF to slide down 10 hertz, and that's the equivalent of being at 7.029.990. But it does change the pitch, so I tend to run my APF at 0, and I adjust the VFO. But you hear that? Notch filter. It's set at 470 hertz. Now,